After a bit of persuasion, this rusty rotor still doesn't want to come off. Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video I'm going to show you an easy way to remove this very rusty rotor. And I did spray it with some penetrating fluid to assist with the process. Also spray the penetrating fluid inside each one of the studs to try to help loosen all that debris. The best thing about this process is you won't need this persuasive tool to help remove the stubborn rotor. All you'll need is this bolt, washer, and nut, so let's get started. For safety, attach at least one of the lug nuts onto the bolt to ensure it doesn't fall off. Pass the bolt through the knuckle that holds the caliper bracket, followed by a washer, and then the bolt which faces the rotor, and just tighten. Now this is really difficult to do when trying not to block the camera, but you'll have a much easier time because you won't be focused on camera angles. Once you've tightened the screw the first time, now just back it off and turn the rotor to a different position so you can apply equal pressure around the disc. I'm using my drill first to speed up the process, and I can hear it loosen some of the rust. But I'm going to need a little bit more torque, so I'm just going to grab my ratchet. After you hear a bit more rust break away, prepare to spin the rotor and just keep repeating this simple process. And just listen to all that rust. And of course, now just keep this little bolt assembly for future rotor issues. And there you have it, an easy way to remove incredibly rusty and stubborn brake rotors without damaging your hub assembly, and all with the use of a bolt, washer, and nut. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on Your Home Garage.